All right, what do we have today? One piece precision resistance reference board used with an 584 or an LM399 to calibrate multimeters color green. Okay. Well, LM399s are not are relative. A 584 actually has a absolute tolerance. So I think it's around 10 millivolts. I'll put the data sheet here. So let's see here. Let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, it's already loaded and everything. Wow. It's got some little standoffs and stuff, but yeah, here's the board. Check it out. 0.1%, 25 ppm precision resistor reference. 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And then it's got reference capacitors as well. Wow. That's pretty fancy, isn't it? Wow. And they're marked. So, yeah. Let's see how close they are. Okay, let's measure 10 ohms. 10.01, pretty close. This one, it says it's 100.07. A little low on that one. This one says it's 0.99998. All right, let's try him out. Okay, we agree on that one. This one says 9995. We agree on that one. This one says 9993. 9999. Oh, 99.93. Oh, okay. We agree on that one. All right. Well, there you go. The numbers on here are accurate, I think. If we go back to the 10 ohms, I think it has to do with, we have to subtract the lead off. And the lead is, yeah, we have to subtract the lead off. So there's no way to do a 4-wire measurement on that because I can't get a hold of that little, tiny little thing there. But we can take a look at maybe some of the capacitors. Let's try those. Okay, I've put on these probes here, but I'm going to have to calibrate my meter. So let's calibrate it, get rid of the capacitance of these leads. All right, then let me go to a short condition here. Okay. And yeah, that looks good. All right, let's look at our 100 picofarad number. 96.8. And we have a 101 nanofarad. And we're not measuring anything. That's kind of weird. I'm not measuring anything. How bizarre is that? Here's a 103 nanofarad. I'm not measuring anything there. It could be that our calibration was only on one range. So let's go to auto range here. We're back at factory default now, though. What is going on? This is really strange. I'll go back to the 100 picofarad. Yeah, that one's fine. What's wrong with these other ones? It's like the PC board's not making contact with these guys. That's really strange. What is wrong with this thing? Huh. Well, I don't know. To investigate this. All right, I put a bunch of wires on here so I can make connections to it. So let's see how it did. Made a bunch of measurements. So here are the resistances, and it's 0.1% off, 0.11%, 0.02, 0.03, 0.03. So yeah, pretty accurate for a little board like that. And obviously somebody else had measured with their equipment under different conditions and stuff. So it's pretty good. Now, it's sold as a resistance standard, so the capacitors, I think, are just a check. Although they've been measured. They're not the best capacitors. There's a couple films, but then there's some ceramics in here and stuff, so they're not the best. So, but they're a great check to see if, you know, things are working. And obviously, electrolytic can't be a standard. But anyway, here they are. 0.8%, 0.2, 0.2, 0.07, 1%. Yeah, so these are pretty darn close to what my meter's reading. And capacitors are kind of hard to, you know, have cal standards too and everything. So I think these are pretty good. These are pretty good values. Now, the bigger ones are way off. This one's 11% off. So, but that's again electrolytic. So if you just kind of throw out the two big capacitors, everything else looks pretty darn good. So what do I think about this thing? I think if you're in your garage and you want to calibrate something, you know, within 1%, these guys are great. I mean, you know, they're probably going to get you within 0.5%. So I don't know. Now, I don't know if every single one of these has been calibrated as nice as this one or not. I don't know. They're super cheap. I don't know. I don't know. What do I know? I don't know nothing. They forgot to break off the little part of the PC board on that side. There you go. Yeah. 0.1%. Oh, it says it's 0.1%. So let's take a look. Yeah, I'd say it's 0.1%. Yeah, I think they don't lie. I think it is 0.1%. And it says nothing about the capacitors here. It says resistance reference. So anyway, there you go.